We're gonna do a delete, and you need to take the headliner a bit down to get to the screws, so I'm gonna do that. So here's the difference. So first you take the rubber away, then there are T20 screws up here, then you open this guy, 2 screws as well, and then you take the airbag, it's like a lid, take it off, there's a screw behind there, and then you can take this away and pull it up to take it away. These are just pulled down. This just comes out after you loosen the screws. Then here, another lid, screw behind. 2 screws here, you loosen the other one by unclipping this, loosening it here, then this comes out. Here, there's a lid here, and a T20 as well behind there, and the same here, 2 there, and as well 2 lids and screws. So as you can see, this plastic here, this is when it comes out. These are clips here that come out when you pull it down. This comes out, and take the rubber down here, then you can pull up the plastic that was here. Pulls up after you loosen the screw inside. Then here, this is stuck underneath the headliner, so you just pull this out. Take the rubber down here and this one away, so you can pull this one down. There's one nut underneath each pillar, 1, 2, and 3, and it's a 13 millimeter. That's right there. And you loosen those 3. This is the nut that you remove. Sometimes it can fall down, and then I used a magnet and went in here and all the way down here and got it. When you've loosened the 3 nuts, you can just wiggle it a little bit and pull it up. So now we have to take the trim off. I'm gonna use a plastic interior thing here. And then I like to wiggle it while I gently pull it up. You don't want to pull it too hard because then you'll bend the trim. There we go. And some of the clips may be left behind, so you just slide them off. Like this. And then we put it back on the trim later on. But for now, we need to clean everything up. This is one pad from here. So now we just clean up the space here really well. So there are 3 holes we need to close up where the roof rail bolts. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna clean up with some brake cleaner just to get all the grime or fat off around the holes, and then I'll put some sealant, then bolt, and I'll use the nut from the roof rail again under, and I'll bolt it tight, and it should be sealed and good to go. These are the bolts I'm gonna be using. They fit right into the original nut. So just sealant where the hole is, this in, this under, tighten, and voila! Now it's all tightened, ready to go. Now we're gonna clean it up and cover up the holes on the list right here. I'm gonna do that with electrical tape. Go 2 rounds each side, and then also stick on the other side of the holes just to keep it more stable on in these places, and then it looks like this. 2 rounds of tape all the way, and then tapes underneath. the holes all the way. Yeah. And here we are, all taped up. So now we put on the clips that didn't come off with the list or the trim. So you can see there's thing sticking out here and then a notch right here, and then you just push it in. Slide it under here and then like that. Now we can install it. Before you put it in, you wanna put the front underneath the seal here. Then you just push it down. Voila. Now the roof rails have been deleted. Now I just have to put the interior back together and then we're finished. Here we have the result. Personally, I think it looks much better. The car looks lower, not as tall. I like it.